Pick out another black person in the class who you think supports Donald Trump. Find another black person who calls themselves American. Yeah, not like
Okay.
Nigerian American,
All
like
right, let me
a
look.
real American. You know what I mean?
A real American.
Yeah.
Chill, bro. Chill. Y'all some ops. You're an op
Wait,
and
wait,
he's
wait.
an op.
Oh man, you already missed two opportunities, by the way, that I totally see. I'm just like, oh man. Wait, what's your ancestry?
I'm Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican?
I'm from New Jersey.
All right, from New Jersey. Well, that's like a different world.
Stereotyping people is not very fun.
Stereotyping. No. Listen, hey, by the way, you know what? You know what we're doing right here? Can I see somebody who's black? Yeah, anybody. It doesn't really matter. Dude, you want to do it? You're black enough. Are you half black? We'll go for it. Is that good? Is she black enough? Dude, all right, here, come on. Pick out another black person in the class who you think supports Donald Trump.
Oh, can I walk?
Yeah, walk around.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way first.
You gotta tell us what you're looking for, though.
Let's see. Looking for somebody who has like white shoes, but they're like dirty. Like,
Oh my God. Wait,
but like you gotta be black though.
hang on a second.
What?
He'd walk us through white shoes that are dirty.
I know y'all see no shoes.
Yo,
I know y'all see no shoes.
wait, MAGA, Donald Trump supporters, MAGA people. You know who you are if you have white shoes that are dirty.
Like
okay?
banked up.
Yeah. All right. What else you looking for?
Um,
See, this is like this is how the minds work. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm like,
I'm feeling it. You know what? Hold on, wait.
yeah, you gotta walk all around, man.
I got some flavor. Hold on.
Gotta be looking for other things too.
All right, you fine, brother. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. You gonna
Yo, be like, yo.
wait, you right here, brother. Come on. You don't gotta have the shoes on. Come on, brother. Let's go.
Oh, that guy. Oh man. All right, hang on.
Are you
Wait,
coming down or we staying up?
hold on. All right. Well, wait. Okay, give him a microphone. Dude, hang on. Let me look at this guy.
Let's look at him.
What do you? This guy. This guy. Look at. He's got the sandals and the black socks.
No, that's fine. He doesn't have to have the
Yeah.
white shoes.
Are you still thinking?
Um,
I mean, he doesn't have white.
it's
shoes on.
skeptical, but I'm like kind of leaning more towards yes.
Yeah. All right, man. What's your ancestry?
Nigerian.
You're Nigerian? Ah, dude, he's halfway there. Alrighty, Nigerians, y'all are really conservative. Okay, Donald Trump, man. Thumbs up.
Is no comment an answer?
No. What does that mean? Like,
It's not.
oh, thumbs down?
Yeah.
Ah, dude. All right.
There's no way you saw me and thought that.
You look. If I look at you, I mean, first off, you say you're Nigerian. First off, did you have an idea that he was Nigerian?
Somewhere around there. Not
Yeah.
really.
What tribe? What's your tribe? Where are you? What are you?
I'm Igbo.
Igbo?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm thinking like, I would immediately think it's at least 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, but you're not. All right, where are you from? Are you from Nigeria?
Yeah.
You came here as an international student?
Oh no, I came here when I was like young.
Okay. All right. All right, man. Well, thanks for volunteering, man. You lost.
My
But
bad.
how
I
about
tried.
how about this? Wait, let me see if we can get somebody else. How about this? How about you pick out? Hang on, Anki, come. I'm gonna get him to do it.
Okay, yeah.
No, hang on. We're
Oh.
gonna have a competition.
Oh,
Here, you both find somebody.
okay.
All right.
What am
All right.
supposed to
Find another black person who calls themselves American. Yeah, not like
Okay.
Nigerian American,
All
like
right, let me
a
look.
real American. You know what I mean?
A real American.
Yeah. Dude, did you get that? Did you get the joke right there?
Yo, brother, you got. Yo, let me. Wait. Hold
A
on.
real American.
I think I got mine over here.
You got your guy? All right, an American. Like who would say like, I'm not like African American, I'm not Black American, I'm not, just call me an American, man. You can come down the front. It's easier to see people now.
Where?
Dude, I feel like you're
Do I stand up?
yeah. Man.
Is that crazy?
Look at
This
your shirt,
guy?
brother.
Her or him? This guy? You know what? His shoes are pretty white. Yeah. Yeah. So
Sign them. He's signing them. Sign them.
but you can't go wait, Akira. Wait, it was Akira, right?
I'm over here, yeah.
Go by what she said, because I was
Wow.
this guy.
Yeah.
Bro. How do you identify yourself?
Okay, well, you said American. What do you mean? You
You
said
just mean American, man. Like I'm just like
like
yeah.
American or American? Like
Yeah, what do you mean by that? What did you mean?
I think it's like, I feel like the second one. That's
The second one, like
That's what
American,
license
man.
has.
Call me an American. Don't like I'm an American. I demand to be.
sorta.
All right, so you're halfway there. All right, sort of. Okay, bro.
Go ahead, brother.
Am I an American? First of all, I gotta.
Would you say like
I mean, I'm Black, and I was born in South Carolina. We could put two to two together. You know, I don't know where I'm from. So I am American, but I mean, yeah, I'm not no hoorah, but yeah.
Wait, can we have the camera zoom in on his shirt, somebody?
Chill, bro, chill. Y'all some ops. You're an op,
Wait,
and
wait,
he's an
can you
op,
stand up, though? Stand up, stand up. Turn around.
bro.
Turn around, go ahead. Look at
Oh,
this.
yeah, there we go.
I know y'all see this.
I was just,
Hey,
I was just trying to fit in, bro.
okay. Who? Just any volunteer. Anybody can be like. So here's what you gotta find. Find someone who's East Asian. Okay. Who's
Asian.
East Asian, who's 100% American, like just doesn't know anything about their culture. They speak American English, and then someone who's an international student from China or South or Korea or Japan or somewhere. Okay, and you can't use her because we already know.
Hey, girl, can I like walk?
Yeah, walk around.
I don't have very good eyesight, so I have to really look at everybody.
Oh man, you already missed 2 opportunities, by the way, that I totally see. I'm just like, oh man.
I think in the white sweater right here.
White sweater. Wait, East Asian? Okay. Yeah.
No, so I'm from India, but I mean, like, okay,
So-
wait, ethnically, I'm Indian Irish, but I'm from Dubai. So I've pretty much lived in Dubai my whole life.
Okay, so listen, man.
Sorry.
East Asian. You got South Asian, you got European, and you got Middle East. You didn't even get close to East Asian.
Hey, I'll give her credit. She at least tried.
What's that?
At least she tried.
She tried.
Yeah, like people tell me I look Thai or Malaysian. I don't
You
know
know what?
why.
I was thinking when I saw you from back there, I thought she looked Thai.
Yeah, and in my defense, my eyesight isn't very good.
See, I'll give
Yeah.
her credit for that. I don't really care.
Yeah, okay. Wait, what's your
Sorry.
ancestry?
I'm Puerto Rican.
Puerto
but
Rican?
I'm from New Jersey.
All right, from New Jersey. Well, that's like a different world. Do you want to try?
I know
again?
it's not-
Okay, try with somebody.
Try again.
How
Um,
about-
I could go with
Where do you
her.
think she's? How about right there? Where do you think she's from?
I wouldn't know.
You don't have any idea? How about come over here? Wait, here, just
I-
come down here.
I did find somebody though.
Yeah, you did? What do you
Yeah,
got?
right down here.
Wait, but American? American or East Asian? Like is she Americanized? She does have a Los
maybe.
Angeles shirt on.
Stereotyping people is not
No,
very fun.
Stereotyping. No. Listen, hey, by the way, you know what? You know what we're doing right here? It's like we're just having a conversation about where people are from. And if you're Americanized or not, or it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. You know what I mean? Like it's completely irrelevant. This is like life. We grew up in this world we're like, oh, we're not supposed to talk about these things or notice these things, but that's what we do in this class. It doesn't, nothing is good or bad. It's
Mhm.
like, it's just different. So wait, so what do you think? What do you think?
Maybe Americanized.
Americanized?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The way she's just said, yeah. Can you stand up real fast? What's your, how Americanized? Wait, what's your ancestry?
Fujianese.
What is it?
Fujianese. I'm Chinese, but
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, from-
Fujianese.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you speak?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, you speak Mandarin
I
and
speak Mandarin.
Fujianese?
I kind of speak a little bit of Fujianese.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Who speaks it? Your mom or your dad?
both.
Both?
Yeah.
All right. So you grew up here?
I was born here, but I lived in China for like 4 years and my big
Wait, can you stand up
Oh,
real
yeah.
fast so the camera can grab you? Wait, you're right down there on that camera. Or wait, are we in? I don't know where you're at. Okay, you grew up.
so I was born like I think I like
Hold the mic close.
okay, I was like a year old and then they sent me to China. So I lived there for like 4 years and then I moved back to the US.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So your Mandarin's good.
No.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Do you know how to say welcome to McDonald's? Can I take your order?
I guess I could, but I get really nervous when I speak Chinese and it's like been like
Wait,
mm.
what makes it? Do you speak Spanish?
Not very much, no.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Un poquito.
See,
¿Entiendes eso? Un poquito? Habla un poquito. Okay.
I couldn't respond to you, but I can understand my family.
Okay. Really? You can understand your Puerto Rican family?
Yes.
Damn, dog. Any other Puerto Ricans? Because y'all don't speak Spanish. You speak Spanish like on hyperdrive, man.
Yeah, their words like run together.
I-
They're my family. But I also haven't met many other Puerto Ricans, so if there are any.
There are Puerto Ricans in here for sure. Who's Puerto Rican in here? Dude, that
Oh,
guy
hi.
right there. You speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Speak Puerto Rican Spanish? Like on overdrive? Dude, go practice with him. She'll understand you. So, all right, wait. Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order? Can you just say that? The reason I'm asking you that is because China's going to take over the world, by the way. So Americans know China's going to take over. And like the only jobs you're really going to have left are working at McDonald's. So you got to learn how to say that in Spanish or in Mandarin. So she's going to teach you how to say it. Can you say that? You know what I mean? Like, get ready.
I was like, how do I
Wait.
say this? Because like I speak broken like Mandarin.
That's
like,
okay. You can speak broken.
I
You don't
know,
have
how
to,
do I
but-
put this?
I'm not speaking in the mic.
Like, oh, I was like, I'm trying to think how to like put like it together in a way
Wait,
that's like
what's your name?
Layla.
Layla? Just say hello, Layla. How are you?
你好，Layla，你今天好吗？
I'm good.
Wait, wait. Who speaks Mandarin fluently? How'd she do? Good? Dude, she did great. Here, hang on.
I don't know what to say when I'm nervous and
No,
I
that's
forget
okay. Wait, say
everything.
it again. Say like, say my name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Yan.
Ann?
Yan.
Dan-
Yan.
Dana? Wait.
Oh.
Don't remember. Don't feel weird because I'm
Okay.
deaf. Remember. Say it again.
Yan.
Dana.
Y-A-N.
Ah, Yan. Okay.
Yeah.
Yan.
I guess I'll say it in Chinese.
Yeah, but you say, yeah, it's in Chinese.
Maybe-
Okay.
Yan Ting. My full name is He Yanting.
Ha Yinting.
He Yanting.
Ha Yinting.
Yanting.
Yinting.
Yeah, there we go.
Ha
Yeah,
Yinting.
yeah.
Can you say that?
Say it one more time.
Yanting.
Yinting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Dude, nice job.
Perfect.
All right.
Not a lot of
Okay.
people can pronounce my name for some reason.
No, it's difficult to pronounce. Okay. Dude, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank
Yeah, you rock. Thanks, man.